I blocking the internet? I hope so. Danny here, Queen Glitter Chaos, and today it's our name reveal of my car. Oh man, when did this start peeling?
Probably about 3 seconds after I did it.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah.
Why?
Like maybe I glued it all down and I just didn't stick.
Oh, I see.
Sometime after power tour, I don't know, was it feeling a 10 power tour?
No, it was all mint.
Well, I just needed a little glue on it. This is my first time. Bit of an amateur.
I could do that for you. I'm real good at gluing stuff.
A little hot glue will fix that up.
Hot glue fixes everything.
It really does.
So today, we are going on an adventure. Not really. But we're going to, what are we going to?
It's the guy that I get my floor pans from, and he always gives me a good deal.
So we're heading over there. We're taking the Nomad because my car, today is the day. Today is the day that Joe is coming over to paint it. So he's gonna be there for a bit while we're at this thing. So when we get back, we should be able to see probably like the outline of the name of my car, which I said weeks ago we were gonna reveal, and we haven't because we kept missing our painting dates.
You haven't told me you're gonna call it the...
No. Shh. Secrets. Anyways, I'm very excited for you guys to see what it's gonna look like because I saw the mock-up of it, and I tell you what, she's all coming together, my friends. But we'll check in with you guys when we get to the little kind of mini car show thing. Hopefully, we're not the only car there. It could be. We'll see what happens. But at least it's a pretty nice day out, so you guys can come along for the drive. I'm stumbling through a dark corridor. I don't think I can walk anymore. Trying to catch my breath with what strength I have left. And I can feel the past haunting me, and there ain't no light I can see. I'll fall through the crack, and that is that, and then I'm gone.
This is my kind of guy. Sunroof. Some sort of etched glass.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait, oh, it's a sticker or what is that? Must be. That's crazy. Flat black. 3 carburetors. I like everything about this. This is my favorite car to show. That's nifty, eh?
It is cool.
No air filter.
This makes me miss our Beaumont.
Yeah, should have kept that.
If only we knew.
Well, that was a money thing.
So this Impala is almost like the one that Dan wrecked. That story will come, I promise you. I saw a lot of you asked about it on after the motor under the house video, so we'll see if we can convince Mur to tell us that story, because I promise you it is a very good one. So a lot of you are suggesting to me to do like the shea carpet package tray, and I won't deny, like, that does look really good. I just feel like I'm way too lazy to deal with the dust it would collect. I like a nice easy wipe on wipe off situation. I don't know that I can make the shea carpet happen, but like, look at that. There you go. You guys get to see a nice done car on the channel. So you're welcome. It's not ours, but you're welcome. Look at that guy. Just making business happen. Business, business, business.
Yeah, like all...
Is that big guy?
Yeah.
I love him. Look how big he is.
Yeah.
Just vibing. He's gonna be hot. Hot dog. That's so cute and happy. Look at that guy. Just living his best life. Whew, it's gotta be hot. So we're leaving the car show, and Dan goes, oh, I wish the guy drove by with the Chevy. I didn't record it. He goes, oh, I wish that guy was here. Like, I want to talk to him about buying that thing. I'm like, you literally just talked about how you didn't want to buy your old Impala that you thought you saw. And what did you say to me?
While we were at the car show, I got a text about more storage available.
So there's that.
So we flip-flop.
And then he goes, well, half the cars in the fleet right now are are yours.
Well,
Why are
that's
you
very true.
complaining?
Yeah.
And I said no, and then I started counting. And how did that happen? How are half the cars mine?
Welcome to my world.
I don't remember spending any of that money.
Well, yeah. You're stealing my gas. You're stealing my shop space. My youth.
Your youth was well gone before we got together, my friend.
Whatever, man.
So let's go home and see how Joe's doing on my paint scheme.
Oh, he's killing it for sure, I'm sure.
I'm excited.
This car, I don't know why, I always want to drive it like an asshole. It's just like it's called for. Is there parked car up there? It's like it wants to be beaten on. Loves it. That's an older kid that eats.
That was a good little pull.
Little 3/4 throttle. It's fun because you just dump the clutch and it just feels like you're doing something. It's really not that fast.
Actually, remember that lady when we were having issues with the EFI on this thing? And she was giving us the stink eye? She was driving a little hot rod yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I can't remember what it was. But I was like, dang, lady.
Well, maybe she was just jealous. She wasn't actually mad at it.
Yeah, maybe that's exactly what it was. Oh, man.
Hello.
I'm so excited.
My butt crack wasn't in that, was it?
It might have been. We
Shit.
like butt cracks around
Okay,
here,
cool.
Joe.
All right.
I'll put like a little emoji on it or something. We're a butt crack kind of place. You know
Cool.
that.
All right. All right.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Nobody knows what it's called yet. So this is
Oh,
like,
shit.
how are you guys going to guess this yet? You won't. You'll never know. Yeah, so we went.
I'm still recording. I thought. Sorry. I thought it was not-
No, this is
I
perfect.
never know with you guys.
Honestly, it's part of what makes me really happy. So you can tell me to delete all of this, but I personally think it's very fun.
Okay. Okay. Cool. All right.
Okay, well we'll check in with Joe again after. But yeah, so basically we went to a car show thing and Joe's been here slaving away.
Honestly, I just got here.
Wow, you could have really milked that so much better. At least he's honest.
Sorry. No, I've been here all day.
All day long, just
day.
waiting. Okay, so phase one of stripper glitter is done. So Joe's gonna come back in a couple days once this is all dry, and he's gonna finish it off. He's gonna make it look kind of 3D, which is dope. But look how cute that is, you guys. Oh my God, I'm dead. And now Dan has conned him into
No, I can't do it. No. I need some planning prep. I can't.
career
I can't just, no,
pressure.
yes.
Well, Joe's gonna think about what is gonna go here. What do you guys feel like should go there?
Just draw it real quick.
With a Sharpie.
Just do it.
No.
Do you want me to draw it?
No. I mean, if you want to, it's not my car.
Give me the paintbrush. I'll start. You can touch up the letters when it's all wrong.
So we'll come back to this on Monday or whatever, and then you guys will get the full effect. Also, someone came by today and had a great idea that I should put a stripper pole in here. I feel like that would be a fun possibility. So we'll see what happens on Monday. Monday might get wild. Little Magic Mike style in here. Who knows? Painting day 2. Oh, baby. Don't laugh so much, Joe. You're gonna mess it up.
I know.
You're gonna make it shaky.
You want to turn on the camera?
Man, the black outline makes it pop so much more. Oh man, I'm so excited. And this guy's just eating a burger. Oh, you got that all over you. DD speech up. What are you doing?
I'm reading the comments in your stupid video. And all this is a list of Dan to-dos. Dan, install power steering. Dan, change the rear wheels. Dan, bolt on those fenders. Fix your car. Take it to the guy.
You are the guy.
I'm busy. I got a Coke. You want a Coke, Joe? Sure. Danielle, you want anything?
I'll have a Diet Coke, please. You were talking to the door, right?
Do you have any cold ones?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See, like, 'cause this is, I guess, the fact name like Carroll
Yeah.
Chevrolet, so I think just kind of the same. Like they did on the black car, kind of. You know what I mean? Or just kind of. You guys like little bullshit kind of my buddies' names or whatever.
Yeah.
Just like something simple. Like it doesn't have to be like whatever.
Okay.
Just.
Is this like the video evidence now? Okay. All right. Let me get my stool. I'll be back.
You should do all your thoughts together.
Yeah.
And oh, my heart, it is breaking from all that you have taken. I just give and can't give anymore. My head is tired and my body's sore. I've been cut right down to my core. I fall through the crack, and that is that, and then I'm gone. And baby, I'm in pain. Hold my hand and make it go away. I can't stand. The cut is deep and the caverns are wide. But please don't let me float out with the tide. Oh, I need you to stay. Oh, I need you to stay.
How's that, my guy?
Love it.
Thanks.
Oh, there you go.
Is this on?
What are you doing?
Is it on?
So there it is, the new name of the car, the Stripper Glitter.